Hello, right, this is going to start off our little videos for just tips and help while we're still in lockdown 2, the sequel. Again, we're kind of, on the day I'm recording this, we're about a week in, so we've got a little while to go, but, chugging through, let's get some details out, help you guys at home, obviously kids, who train with us. You guys are all still obviously going to school, so that means you're still very much occupied for most of the days. But if you are doing a little bit of training at home, I'm going to help you out, give you some details for the main syllabus and write out some just little reminders this time round. Yeah, because a lot of you came back and trained between the last lockdown and this lockdown. So we kind of got you back up to speed and got you energised and got you going, which was lovely. So now it's just kind of, like I say, it's reminder time, just to give you a little bit of help while you might be doing a little bit less with your afternoons and evenings and weekends, and then hopefully we will see you soon before Christmas, fingers crossed. We'll see how it all goes. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about today is our downward block. I don't want to go through all of it. I want to highlight one key detail. Okay, key detail is this: it's our folding positions, okay, and how our arms move in and out of the block. You know, we always talk about a lot of things when it, like stances and backhand and all this kind of stuff, how it ends up looking. I want to talk about the motion of the block. Okay, so your blocking hand, it must connect with your shoulder before you block. Now, we've covered this before in videos, we cover it in classes. It's so you understand that if something is coming this way towards your stomach, whether it be a punch, a kick, or whatever, doesn't matter, something's coming straight at you, okay, it touches shoulder first so that it scoops. Okay, it has to scoop, it has to go that way, or if I'm using my other hand, another foot, that way, so that it catches whatever is coming down the middle and you deflect it or move it that way or this way. Okay, you take it past your body line. Okay, so there's a huge massive front kick being powered through. Yeah, you catch it, scoop it, and if their weight comes through, they follow their foot down the side of you, which brings them close for your counter, etc. Or you might decide to go downward block and then scoop and hold. Okay, real simple block, but the fundamental is it goes shoulder down. Okay, the extra detail I want to talk about is when we talk about what we do with our other hand, the one that's not doing the block. Almost all our blocks have some sort of push-pull, one in, one out kind of motion. Okay, so as soon as you've got the idea of shoulder block, notice I'm not doing anything with this hand yet. Yeah, this business. The other one counterbalances. Okay, so when this hand comes up to our shoulder, our other one is underneath. Now I'm going to get very, very close for this. I'm not going to be in it, okay, but we're talking about that. Okay, when your hand comes up to here, your other one is nearly straight out in the downward block position underneath, and we go roughly elbow to elbow, joint to joint. Okay, so when we push, pull in and out, they swap. Okay, we are not going and then that just sticks randomly. And then when we change, yeah, there's no connection here and go, yeah, that is not necessarily push-pull because they're not going in the same, or well, directly opposite directions. So it doesn't have the right effect. Okay, if we're here, high fold, okay, as one goes down, one comes up, okay, it helps structure our chest and our core and keeps it tight. Okay, if we're here, and one's going kind of back and one's swinging, you're kind of off center. It's an unbalanced block, if you like. Now, I'm not going to argue that it's going to make a ton of difference in the grand scheme of things, but it is messy. And if you are looking to be very, very technically accurate, this is what we're after. Okay, one in, one out. Okay, and they want to be roughly on the same line. Yeah, we don't want this. Yeah, it's awkward. It skews your chest a little bit if you're going full blast. Okay, so that's the detail I want to cover for this downward block. Shoulder, yes, but we should be here. Everything's lined up, okay? This back arm, or this low hand if you like, is almost like a guide to where your downward block is going to go to. When you switch, that's like your guide. This is your blocking arm. Push, pull, one in, one out, okay? That's the detail I want to get. Most of you know about the front stances. You know this goes on your bottom rib. Yeah, we know touch and block, all that kind of stuff. We know not to completely lock our arm. Yeah, little bend, okay? Not this, okay? But we're not locked out straight either, okay? Somewhere in between. Soft elbow, so it takes the impact better. It's almost like that soft bend acts as like kind of like a shock absorber. I know it's a really strange analogy, but obviously straight and locked arms, and then hits it, it really just judder elbows and stuff, and that's a good way to get an injury, okay, when it's not necessary, okay? Soft elbow, but this, push-pull is what we're after. That is the detail for that block for today. Easy peasy stuff. Bye.